Happy Thursday. Welcome to your Cooking and Cuisine Challenge. Fun fact, sometimes we hide a fake. Is today one of those days? In Indian cuisine, the term Tadka refers to what cooking technique involving spices? That's right, deep frying spices in oil or ghee. What is the purpose of shocking vegetables after blanching them? That's right, to stop the cooking process and preserve their color. What is thousand-year egg or century egg traditionally preserved in? Correct. Salt, clay, ash, rice. Rice hulls. Galangal, often confused with ginger, is a rhizome frequently used in Thai cooking. Which of these dishes most prominently features galangal? Nailed it! Tom yum soup. What is umami often described as? Boom! Correct. Savory. What is the name of the popular Mexican street food consisting of grilled corn on the cob, slathered in mayonnaise, cotija cheese, chili powder, and lime? Correct. Elote. Which of these historical events significantly impacted the availability and price of bread ingredients in the early 2010s? That's right, the Arab Spring. During what Thai festival is it customary to eat khao che, a dish of rice soaked in iced jasmine-scented water? That's right, Songkran, Thai New Year. Which cooking method is characterized by searing meat at a high temperature, then finishing it in a covered pot with liquid? That's right, braising. The Four Corners region of the United States, encompassing parts of Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah, is strongly associated with the cultivation and consumption of what type of bean? Correct, pinto bean. Only the smart ones follow. See you tomorrow for famous landmarks.